To test out a brand new model for the Thai and international motorcycle press, Thai Yamaha threw a special sneak peek event on November 25, 2023. This is the Yamaha PG-1. It will make its official premiere at the Impact Challenger 1-3 Center during the 2023 Thai Motor Expo, which takes place in Nonthaburi, which is a part of the greater Bangkok area, from November 30th to December 12, 2023. Does the Yamaha PG-1 appear strikingly similar to a shot across the Honda CT125 Hunter Cub's bow? Maybe if you're judging everything by appearances. Although the CT125 Hunter Cub has been well received in many foreign markets, the Cross Cub 110, which has never been marketed in the US, is a more accurate comparison. You see, the Yamaha PG-1 shares its 114cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine with the Yamaha Fin. The Fin is a little scooter that is excellent for commuting and has a similar appearance to the Honda Wave. Thai Yamaha does not provide power ratings for the Fin. However, it measures 50.0mm by 57.9mm in bore and stroke, with a 9.3:1 compression ratio. It includes spoked wheels or alloy wheels, with varying pricing for each. The alloy wheel-equipped version's MSRP is 48,700 baht, or roughly $1,388. The PG-1 is its more fashionable cousin. It's an everyday commuter bike, designed for daily commuters. On November 26, 2023, Thai Yamaha started taking pre-orders for the PG-1, although not having formally disclosed the device's price. The four hues that are available to interested parties are Cool Black, Vivid Yellow, Humming Brown, and Chill Blue. There have been previous instances where Yamaha has emulated Honda's small displacement strategy.